Ever thought about starting Amazon FBA? Before you do, make sure you watch this video till the end. Today, we're diving deep into a hot topic in the world of e-commerce, Amazon FBA. You may have heard many success stories, but in this video, we're going to explore why Amazon FBA might not be worth your time and investment. The costs of Amazon. Let's start with the most crucial aspect, the costs. Amazon FBA involves numerous fees that can quickly eat into your profits. Here are three major ones. Number 1. Storage fees. Amazon charges monthly storage fees for your products, and they increase during the holiday season. If your inventory doesn't move as fast as you planned, these fees will become a significant burden. Number 2. Fulfillment fees. Every time Amazon ships one of your products, you'll pay a fulfillment fee, which varies based on the size and weight of the item. These fees will add up, especially for larger products. Number 3. Referral fees. When successfully selling an item, Amazon will take a percentage of your product's sale price as a referral fee, which can range from 8% to 45%. This means less money in your pockets. Now that we've covered the costs, let's move on to the intense competition. When jumping into Amazon FBA, you must be prepared for the competition that comes with it. While Amazon provides access to a massive customer base, it also means a large amount of sellers. Two major issues with the competition are price wars and counterfeit products. Let's start with the price wars. Sellers often engage in competition when trying to get the better price. Their main goal is to win the buy box. The buy box is the coveted featured section on an Amazon product page, where customers can directly add items to their cart for purchase. Sellers also use pricing algorithms that automatically adjust their prices based on various factors, including competitors' prices. When one seller lowers their price to gain the buy box or compete aggressively, other sellers using similar algorithms may respond by lowering their prices as well. This can trigger a downward spiral of price reductions. In summary, while competitive pricing is essential on Amazon, sellers should be cautious about getting caught up in price wars. It's crucial to strike a balance between offering competitive prices and maintaining healthy profit margins to ensure long-term success on the platform. Now onto counterfeit products. For many years, Amazon has struggled with counterfeit products. Counterfeit products on Amazon are a significant issue due to their potential negative impacts on consumers, legitimate sellers, and the overall trustworthiness of the platform. Here are three main issues that come with counterfeit products: consumer safety and trust. Counterfeit products are often of inferior quality and can pose safety risks to consumers. For instance, counterfeit electronics may malfunction or even cause fires. Counterfeit cosmetics can contain harmful substances, and counterfeit medications can be ineffective or dangerous. Trust will be lowered also. Harm to legitimate sellers. Counterfeit products are typically priced lower than genuine ones, making it difficult for legitimate sellers to compete. This unfair competition can drive honest businesses out of the marketplace or force them to lower their prices to unsustainable levels. This can also damage the product or seller's reputation. Consumers who receive subpar counterfeit items may associate the negative experience with the legitimate brand, damaging its image. Amazon has to allocate resources to identify, remove, and investigate counterfeit listings, diverting attention and resources away from other essential aspects of the platform. Time and effort will all be wasted. When you rely on Amazon FBA, you're essentially handing over control of your business to Amazon. Here's why that can be problematic. Amazon can suspend your seller account for various reasons, sometimes without much warning. This can be devastating if your business depends solely on Amazon. Suspensions can be fully justified and in your favor. However, this won't change the outcome of your suspension, which will lead to the fall of your business. So, is Amazon FBA really worth it? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. While some have found success, many others have faced the challenges we've discussed today. Before diving into Amazon FBA, carefully consider the costs, competition, and the loss of control over your business. We have only shared the basics of FBA, so make sure to do some of your own research before taking it on. If you made it to the end of the video, Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below on what you think about Amazon FBA.